So what you have to do to fix this problem is to restart your device, and that's the common fixing option to do. After restarting your device and it's still not working, what you have to do is to search for the app on your phone menu. And now when you find the app, what you have to do is to just tap on the app for some while, then you tap on app info. After that, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Go back, tap on notifications and make sure this show notification is turned on. Go back and tap on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache, then you go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure this background data is turned on like this. After doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store. So when you get to Google Play Store, then you search for ADP mobile solution. So after that, what you have to do is to tap on update over here to get the latest update of this app. So after updating it, what you have to do is to restart your device. Tap on your phone power for one, tap on the power button for some while. Now tap on restart and tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. When it's still not getting fixed, what you have to do is to go to your phone settings again, tap on network and internet, tap on mobile data or mobile network, then select the network. After that, what you have to do is to scroll down, tap on advanced, scroll a little bit, then you tap on advanced, preferred network type, then after that select this network type, which is 4G slash 3G slash 2G or 2. After selecting this network type, tap on the power button for some while and tap on restart to restart this device. After that, this problem is going to get fixed.